Welcome back, my little foodies. Today we're going to be doing A&W. Check this out. Okay, so give me a second and I'll set it all up. All right, see you soon. Okay, check out this, the new Cod Wrap. Check that out. It looks delicious. And check out the new Cod Burger. Look inside, check that out. I think I'm gonna add some more because I made my own little tartar sauce to add some more because I love sauces. Also, I made my famous sriracha sauce right here. I'll put that right there. Oh, also I got some yam fries. Check that out here. I'm gonna move all this paper out of the way. There we go. There. I'll put my fries right here. Oops, one bell. There we go, some delicious yam fries. There we go. Okay. So let's start. First of all, I'm gonna add some more of this tartar, because I like sauce. Who doesn't love sauce? I mean, I love lots of sauce. Okay. There. And then for this one, I'm gonna add some sriracha, because who doesn't like a little kick, right? I love a little kick of some nice delicious sriracha sauce right there. Okay. And of course, my favorite, yam fries with sriracha. Also, I love these. They have these little bottles that come for like $6 or something. They're so cute. I love A&W root beer. So delicious. Okay, so let's start with the wrap. There we go. Wow, it's small. I thought it would be bigger, but I mean, it packs a punch. I mean, as soon as I bit into it, I mean, the fish was so soft and delicious, and then the coleslaw underneath and the sauce. I mean, it's so delicious. I mean, I should have bought more. Wow. Sorry. Wow. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. Wow, that's so delicious. Wow. Check that out. Oh, sorry. Wow. The wrap, besides the factor of that it was small, it packed a real punch. I mean, that was some deliciousness. I mean, seriously, I'm like choking. Oh, some of these delicious yam fries. Wow. I really enjoyed these yam fries. They're a little bit cold, but still really delicious. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's dip into this cod burger. Check that out again. See those two big pieces of cod. Oh. Mm. Mmm. Crunchy. Mmm. I like that coleslaw underneath there with the red cabbage and everything. Mmm. It's delicious. The fish is cooked perfectly. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. It's really delicious. I know I keep on saying delicious, but it's fabulous. Oh gosh. Try some more of these yam fries. Yeah, fries. Wow. Check that out. The only thing is that they could have just put an extra more sauce, because I put a lot of sauce because I love sauce. I know I said that before, but I love. Wow. It's really just. I'm starving. Tartar sauce. That cabbage, red cabbage, oh, it's really, really divine. And I love that these, the A&Ws, they're in bottles, because I really don't like using the plastic. So it's, when I saw that, I was like, yes, bottles. Last bite. Check it out. Oh no, it's falling apart. So I will give the cod hamburger or sandwich, I'm not sure what they call it, I'll give that 1.5 stars. Okay, 1.5. And then the cod wrap, that was like a huge surprise. I mean, it's so small, and I was like, I mean, seriously, this is what I bought for this price? I mean, but then when I bit into it, it was bursting with flavors, and it was so delicious. I mean, seriously, oh, little things come in big packages, I guess. I don't know how to say that anyways, but yeah. So I give it 2 thumbs up for the cod wrap. Oh, delicious. And of course, I love my yam fries, so. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a nice little comment down below, okay? And also, it's a limited time, so check it out. Soon. Wow. I mean, really? People are banging the door like crazy behind me. Sorry about that. I do love a lot of sauce. I do. So have an amazing day, my little foodies. See you soon in my next video, alright? Alright, bye for now.